everyone, and welcome to the world's most tiny and chaotic studio. The first thing I like to do each morning is drink my coffee and open the post in peace. I get so many packages. I think I'm known to all the postmen and different couriers as a crazy shopaholic. I was really happy to see these new business cards. They turned out so cute. They got little virtual 3D versions of Pickles and Billy the Girl on. Then I crack on with today's orders. The first one is the kitschy cute crucifix set in pink. I love these little velvet chokers, I think they're so cute. And then I carefully bubble wrap them up, ready to be packaged up with her other items. Every parcel that I ship out, I add a little thank you note. I think it just gives it that little personal touch, you know? This lovely lady had bought the Furby earrings in like every colour, so I threw in loads of extra goodies like this super cute mini Furby bag and some Furby stickers and a ring pop sweetie. Next I am measuring all the new bags, ready to list them for sale. Then I am picking the best pictures we took on the weekend of the stock and just editing them a little bit. Then I add the necessary information to the listings, ready for them to be put up for sale. I don't edit them too much so that the image still reflects the object fairly. I just usually lighten them and crop them a bit. The first listing is complete. As you can see, I try and show it from as many angles as possible and pick the most flattering image for the main image. Then it's lunchtime, yay! I'm having these sesame noodles, they're absolutely delicious, and I just added some tofu puffs and some veggies. Because the studio are so small, and also because I'm incredibly messy, it gets just so chaotic so quickly. So I just wanted to put aside a couple of hours this afternoon to try and sort it all out. I'm just putting away replenished stock on the shelves, also sorting through the mountain of fabrics that I have. It was really fun looking through these because I had so many that I'd totally forgotten about, and I'm really excited to make some cool new jackets with them. Next, I'm tackling my jewellery shelves. This whole shelving unit is just materials for making earrings and accessories. There's so much weird stuff on here. I am aware this still looks messy, but there is method to this madness. It looks so much better than it did before, but I will admit those bowls of baby parts do look really horrifying now I'm watching this back. Up here we've got troll earrings, Betty Boop earrings, lipstick earrings, orange and lemon earrings, the eyeballs. So much stuff hidden up here. I love that miniature shopping trolley and shopping basket. It's so cute, filled to the rim with more bits and bobs. And down here we have more terrifying baby faces and the flyers and also envelopes and packaging that I use. Next up, I'm just folding up and putting away the stock that I photographed over the weekend. The tricky part is finding space for it all to fit. I've also got these 2 tubs full of clothes too, and I'm just splitting them into the currently making section and the photographed and ready for sale section. Over here is where I keep the t-shirt stock. I have a real hate for these shelves as the tees constantly slide off because of the plastic wrap and avalanche onto me, which is why I made these little sellotape borders, but they do not work. I can't wait till I can get some boxes to put all this stuff in. And I'm just sorting them by size, doing a mental stock count of how many of each size I have left. These are all the glasses that we use for the photo shoots. The huge collection of embroidery threads we have in every colour. And my little heart-shaped box full of hair accessories for shoots. So much cute stuff in there. Over here we have a corkboard you can barely see, full of samples and notes, the jacket rail, a shelving unit full of art supplies. Up the top is backpacks and boxes of extra stock. And the jewellery shelves and all of my collectibles. And where I sit all day, every day, working. The kitchen skills are for weighing the packages when I'm getting them ready for shipment. And here is the sewing, cutting, whatever I need to be doing table. Thank you for spending the day with me. I hope that in the future we can do more videos behind the scenes on photo shoots, a bit more exciting stuff. But I hope you enjoyed seeing some behind the scenes in the studio where all the things are made, and seeing what it's like day-to-day life as a small business owner. And big thanks to everyone for watching, and especially if you shopped with us, big thank you to you for supporting this tiny business. Okay, bye!